Okay, in this video, we're going to be talking about the God Pill 10 Commandments. And this is going to be very important because when you finally become a God after mastering the God Pill, there are some rules that I believe you must follow. Keep in mind that you're not going to become a real God, you're not going to fly or anything like that, but that's the theme here. So I believe you're going to have a bit of fun learning this because a lot of what's underneath the surface isn't realized by damn near everybody. So we're going to train you. Now, let's start with commandment number 1. Beware of AFD. AFD means argument, fight, and death. This is number 1 because AFD can happen at any time when you interact with people from other clans. I've seen many situations where even if someone is being respectful, things can still go south. Every clan has things that they stand for and things that they won't tolerate. So you have to be very careful because they aren't as like-minded as you are. Another thing you should know is AFD can happen with members of your own clan as well. If you have someone who is a solid red pill and someone who is half red, half blue, there are still chances for arguments or fights to happen. And I've seen this plenty of times. Now, I need you guys to pay close attention to this point that I'm about to make. Blue on the anti-life equation is a wild card, and it also stands for head in the clouds, or beta male. It is associated with both the purple pill clan and the red pill clan only. Those are the only two clans that blue is associated with. Blue does not apply to the white and black pill clan for several reasons. Number 1, it's because there are no strong men in either clan. That's number 1. Number 2, men from both the white and black pill clan are not masculine. So the white and black pill clan are eliminated when we're talking about masculinity. This is also how I have it designed in the anti-life equation, which is why it's the most perfect equation there is, because it's so accurate. Number 2, don't talk to strangers about the God Pill. Unless you know them personally and have a good relationship with them, it's really not a good idea. This one is important because I remember watching an open panel and this guy hops in and starts telling everybody on the panel what he thought they were. He told one person, "You sound purple pill." He tells another person, "You sound black pill." And he told one last person, "You sound red pill." Never do something like this, guys. Never ever put labels on people in person like that because number 1, it's too advanced for anyone to know what you're talking about. Number 2, you're going to have people taking it as disrespect because they're going to start to feel like as if you're labeling them. And number 3, they don't know you. Number 3, do not force your clan's values onto other clans. Okay, this is also important because in order for you to like a person more, you might try to change them to fit the style of your clan. People do this already all the time, subconsciously on when they're on autopilot. And in my opinion, it's not a good idea. I believe that it's something that can get you into trouble because everyone is who they were born to be and they cannot be changed. First of all, changing someone should be none of your concern. Second of all, someone who is different from you should be none of your concern as well, unless you want an AFD situation to occur. I hope you guys understand that. Commandment number 4, control your emotions. This is important because it will reduce the chances of AFD if you're already interacting with people from other clans or people from your clan. Last thing we want is for you to get in an argument, a fight, or a death with someone from your clan. And believe it or not, it happens more than you think. You may have a situation where a boyfriend deletes his girlfriend because he is too emotional. And they may be from the same clan or the other way around. A girlfriend could delete her boyfriend. Commandment number 5, keep track of someone after you decode them. I think this is a good one, but if you don't feel like living up to this one, it's fine, but I certainly do. I am currently tracking hundreds of people right now because I am always increasing my God pill radar. After you've decoded someone, look at who they hang out with, look at who they have problems with, and make sure to learn from that person's experience. Commandment number 6, cut off anyone from another clan as quickly as possible. I think this one is very important. Many of you interact with too many people from other clans. If possible, you need to distance yourself from them, and it could be hard for you to cut them off because everyone's situation is different. But whenever you can, as soon as you can, make sure to do it quickly. If not, it's only a matter of time until AFD happens. Commandment number 7, be grateful for your clan and look out for your clan members. Let me put it to you guys this way. If you were in a world filled with purple, white, and black pills, and you are the only person from your clan, not only would you be sad, but you would be screwed as well because you would be at a high risk of AFD. This is a good one because I believe that in order for a clan to thrive, everyone has to look out for each other. Keep in mind, everything each clan does subconsciously is designed to look out for each other. But now that you've taken the God pill, you should probably do a little bit more to look out for members of your clan. Commandment number 8, never fight in a war. I think this one is very important because there are members of your clan all over the place. And in a war, you never know who you could be deleting. It's true, you just don't know. Ever since I took the God pill, the number one problem that I've always noticed looking back at past wars is clan members deleting their own clan members. This is something that's always going to happen because you're not getting a chance to know somebody before you engage with them. Commandment number 9, don't fight another clan's battles for them. This one is very important because every clan except for the White Pill clan has a rage mode. Their reality is different from yours. Their problems are not your problems, therefore you must not fight their battles. Understand that a lot of the things that they complain about are none of your concern. And if you do decide to help them, there's a good chance that you could get yourself into trouble. Commandment number 10, never ever reproduce with someone from another clan. Ever. This is the most important commandment because the same way certain animals aren't supposed to reproduce with each other, like for example, a cat cannot go and reproduce with a dog, right? An elephant cannot reproduce with a lion. An eagle cannot reproduce with a snake. The same exact rule needs to be applied to humans. If for any reason you do decide to reproduce with someone from another clan, what will happen is you will create something that I like to call a rift. Now, I bet you're wondering what a rift is, so I'll tell you. A rift is a really dangerous thing, and this will increase your chances of AFD happening in your own family. A rift is when two people from opposite clans produce children from opposite clans. In the beginning, it'll seem like it's no big deal, but after a while, as the children get older and their personality starts to develop, things can get very bad. Okay? Don't be surprised if AFD happens in your family as a result of a rift. It just so happens that I am a product of a rift. So this is the God Pill 10 Commandments, and these are commandments that I live by. And I'm not joking about any of this, so I hope you take these commandments into consideration, and it'll make your God Pill experience a lot better moving forward. Right, wrong, truth, loyalty. You took the God Pill, now you're royalty. White, purple, red, and black. Once you take the God Pill, there's no turning back.